Hi, this is probably most of you know that this is Jeremiah Richardson, probably Jeremy for short, and some people call me Jerry. Um, I just wanted to say because in most of my videos, like Kizzy's videos that I'm in, I'm being immature and that, like stupid, kind of childish. So I'm just want to say that I'm no like that kind of immature guy, like stupid. Because I like Eminem, like I'm a rapper. Most people say that I'm crap at rapping, but I like it. And I'm a sporty person as well, like football, tennis, basketball, rugby, martial arts as well. Um, I like gaming, like COD, Modern Warfare 2, 3. I like GTA. IV's crap. I like the old one, San Andreas, and I like Red Faction 2 and 3. Um, fuck. What else? That's practically all. Just wanted to clarify that. Right. Peace out, people.